Yo, what it is, FBO fam, I'm coming to you guys. About to give y'all the first cold start after getting these downpipes put back on. This shit is stupid loud, probably gonna break the mic, but here we go. Might want to turn the camera the right way. Stupid loud on the cold start, and it is hot as hell today. And I'm also gonna go ahead and let you guys get my first, or see my first driving impressions on the car after having the downpipes installed and you know the car running good. Because like I said, the car did not, when I first got it, it needed spark plugs. And once the spark plugs were installed, so were the OEM cats. So that, I mean, that was great. The car was running good and it was fast. Y'all seen, you seen it work. If you didn't see it work, go check out that video where I raced the cam bolt-on 1LE, and there was a race between that same 1LE and a 2025. Either way, it was a 10R80 car with headers and exhaust system and a tune. So some good stuff, man. Y'all go check that out. But I'm gonna give y'all impressions now on how this thing is with the downpipes on. So let's check that out. All right, let's get it. Let's put this thing, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up. I'm fixing to get all of it. Pops on this thing are crazy now. I'm even like waving my foot on the gas a little bit just so it doesn't like blow people's eardrums out. This thing pops so loud. If I run up to like 4,000 RPM and come down with these downpipes on here, man, this thing is, and it's because the car is straight pipe. There is no muffler back there. The secondary cats are gone. Those burbles were like 15 miles an hour coming off at like 2,000 RPM. And the best thing about the bros is if you get tired of it, you can turn them off. My way of turning them off right now though is to put it into efficient mode. Oh yeah, I said I wanted all of it. Let me turn this traction off. And I'm gonna get where I got some space so I can squeeze on this thing. Don't you hate it when you pull your shirt out to dry, got hair on it? Be chasing that shit all day if you don't find it right then. I'm going back to second. Crashing out. Sport Plus, let's go. Let's see. Third. actually not as terrible as they could be. But the car has a lot more low end power that I noticed with the downpipes than, of course, with those restrictive ass stock catalytic converters. This from Drive right here. Love it. Downpipes are a hit. And we ain't stopping right here, you know, we got more to do. But this is definitely one of the main things I wanted to make sure was done to the car that I got done to it. And listen, I mean, the proof is gonna be in the pudding, I guess. We gotta get beside somebody who has something fast and see what it does. Till next time, y'all.